here it is, installed. There's a little, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's actually sitting right on top of the bracket there. There's a little tab there, one of those push-in tabs that hold the harness, I guess the wire harness, in place away from the engine block. Obviously that gets hot. If the wire touches it, you know what's going to happen. So make sure you put that in. It wasn't really that difficult. Before you put the bracket in, make sure you push that pin in with the wire harness in there first before you put the bracket in. It's a lot easier to do it that way. So yeah, that's done. Took about 2 minutes to do it. No big deal. What did I use for that? I used a 5/16 socket right there for those bolts. Yeah, all right. Oh, that's done. That's the easy one. I think next what we should do, I'm looking at this wires hanging over here. I'm going to replace the mirrors with the turning signals on it. So we're going to do that. Let me put the phone down for a minute, and we'll take it from here.